In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace documents in DocuSign templates without losing fields. If you're someone who frequently uses DocuSign's templates for managing documents, you know how important it is to maintain the precise layout and integrity of your input fields. Today, I'm here to guide you through a seamless process that ensures you can update your document templates without losing anything important. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Templates tab in your DocuSign account. This tab is essentially your control center for all the templates you use. Here, you'll see a list of all the templates you've created or have access to. Find the template you want to edit, and there should be a handy icon with 3 dots next to it. This is your gateway to various options specific to that template. Click on this icon, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Choose the Edit option to get started on modifying your template. With your template file open for editing, focus your attention on the Upload Fields section. In this area, you will see the document file you previously added all those necessary fields to. To update this document, click on the 3 dots icon again, located right next to the file. This time, select Replace from the options that appear. You'll then be prompted to upload the new document you wish to use. Simply select the new file that you want to replace the old document with and upload it. Once your new document is uploaded, you'll proceed to the Input Field Editor by pressing Next. Here's the crucial part. You'll notice that although the fields from your previous document are still intact, they might not sit exactly where they should on the new document. But don't worry, this is easily fixable. All you need to do is select those fields, click and drag them to their proper places on your new document. This step can be a bit finicky, but taking the time to align everything will save you heaps of time in the long run as you avoid re-adding fields from scratch. After you've moved your fields to their correct positions, there's one last step. Simply click Save to update your template. Congratulations! Your template is all set to go with the new document in place and all your fields aligned perfectly, ready for efficient use. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can effortlessly manage and update your DocuSign templates without losing the valuable fields you've worked so hard to set up. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your DocuSign experience smoother and more efficient.